Hey everybody, this is Ralph Sales Cars of RalphSalesCars.com down here at GT Auto at Tacoma, 7004 South Tacoma Way. My phone number is 253-230-1494. You can also see this vehicle at RalphSalesCars.com. This is a beautiful 2014 Jeep Cherokee Laredo, fully loaded and priced just right. It's about to go into detail. We just got it in, and I thought I'd let my customers get the first crack at it, look at it first before anybody else has a chance to. As you see, the body is flawless. Great on miles, great price, and we have the best financing down here at GT Auto. Let's take a look at the inside real quick. Mind you, this vehicle still needs to go through detail. We just got it in. Take a look at the back. Definitely the perfect vehicle for you at the perfect price down here at GT Auto with Ralph Sales Cars. Go ahead and start it up for you. Push button start. Lots of features. And it's about to go through detail. So you want this beautiful vehicle, give me a call. Ralph Sales Cars at GT Auto, 253-230-1494 on this beautiful 2014 Jeep Cherokee Laredo. Give me a call. See you at the driver's seat.